The contains method is pretty easy. So public boolean contains item. Now, what should we do here? Once again, we should traverse the list, starting from the beginning all the way to the end. If we find this item, we'll return true, otherwise we'll return false. However, we already built this logic in our index of method, so we can reuse this. There is no need to repeat this logic. So we type return index of item does not equal to -1. So if this expression, if value is to true, that means we have this item in our list. Let's test this. So back to the main class. We're going to call list.contains 40. Obviously, we don't have this item. What about 10? We get true. Beautiful. That was very easy. Next, we're going to implement the delete first method.